Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use the sort function in a Google Spreadsheets. So first, what I'm going to want you to do is sign in and create or use an existing Google Spreadsheet. Next, I have some random numbers here in column A. And what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to press on A, or whatever column or row that it's in. You're just going to want to press on it, and it will highlight the entire row. And then afterwards, you're going to want to go up to one of these, and this time you're going to want data, and you can do sort sheet or sort range. So what I like to do is I like to go to sort range, because then you can choose whatever range you want. So I'm just going to do column A, and then I'm going to do A through Z. So A through Z or Z to A, it doesn't matter. It's not a specific alphabet. You can do numbers as well. A through Z is just 1 to or 0 to whatever number, and then Z to A is just whatever number to 0. So it's just down, up, down. That's it. So I'm just going to go to A to Z, and it will sort 0 to this number. And then after that, I will show you how to go backwards, of course. You're going to go to sort range again, and then you're just going to do Z to A, and it will be that number down to 0. Simple enough. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.